Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how easy it is. And I'm going to break down the numbers and literally show you in front of you how easy it is to make $100 a day almost passively through eBay dropshipping. So I feel like this isn't really talked about much, dropshipping on eBay altogether. But I'm going to show you how easy it is just using two platforms. You're going to use an eBay to sell on and Amazon to ship your products. So for those who don't really know how it works, we're going to list an Amazon product on our eBay store. Someone buys it from us from eBay and we ship it directly from Amazon and take the profits in the middle. So in under 10 minutes in this video, I'm going to show you how I would find the product quickly and then how I would scale it to $100 a day just from that one product. And I'll show you, we're not going to only sell one product, but I'm going to show you just from that one product how to do it from there. Anyways, I'm rambling on a bit. Let's go straight into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a product from Amazon. So if we just go to electronics, for example. All right, this is something that you can go more in depth in, but we're just going to go straight, take the first one. That's a bestseller. If it's a bestseller, it means it's selling a lot. Doesn't necessarily mean dropshippers are buying it, but it means it's selling a lot. So this product is $50 if you use the $7 code, and this guy's selling it for $68. So I'm just going to bring up this website here. It's going to calculate the profit for us. So if we were to just do the traditional way, we'd undercut them by $1. So we'd put it for 67, just say 44, and the product costs us $49.99. We are profiting roughly about $8 sold per item. Let's say we had a store, just to show you guys that having a store does help a bit, would make $10. So that's perfect. So let's run it from this. All right, so here's the pre-end. So a store costs you $5, by the way, so it's not really a lot. If we have a store, we made $10 just then per sale. All right, this guy's sold 83 of them. He's made $830 just from this one product. So here's how the numbers really work. All you're going to do is find 10 products like this, and you're going to sell those 10 every day at $10 profit to give you $100 a day. That's how simple it is. And I'm being fully honest when I say that. That is how simple it is. So if we just take this item, for example, and the best thing is to just take as many as you can. If you list 600, I just brought up Microsoft Word to quickly just show you, and I can't really draw in here, but let's say you list 600. Right? 600 is how much you can sell on a basic store, how many listings you can actually list up. Each of these equal $10 profit. Okay, that's the profit you're going to make per item that you've listed. So in theory, you have $6,000 of profit in total if each item sells once, but that's completely irrelevant. We really don't care about that. What we care about is the fact that out of these 600, we want to sell, I'm just going to say 1.5%. That equals 9 listings. But just to make the math a little bit more simple, we don't go into like 1.65% or whatever it is. So let's just say 1.65. We can sell 1.5% of our listings every day. We are making $100 a day. Now that might confuse you guys a bit. I know my handwriting is absolutely terrible. But what that means is 600 listings. And if we can sell 1.5 of them a day, 5%. So again, I think I'm overcomplexing it. All I'm saying is you just got to sell 10 listings a day. And you can list 600, you can list 1,000, you can list 10,000, you can list 100. I only have 180 on my new store and I'm doing $300 a day. It doesn't matter how many you're listing. What matters is that you can actually sell them. And I'll get into that really, really quickly. I just want to break down the numbers for you. If you can sell 10 items at $10 a day, again, 10 times 10, you've made yourself $100 a day. And again, that's how simple it is. That's the title of this video. I'm going to show you guys how to make $100 a day. You've already done it. You've done the numbers. You just have to perform it, pull and execute the actions. That's 36K a week, 36K a year. And it literally takes you about 30 minutes to fulfill your products. If you're fulfilling 10, shouldn't take you any more than 30 minutes per day. So 30 minutes per day to make $100, pretty good. That's $200 an hour if you really take it that far. But that's the numbers. I just wanted to break down the numbers for you. So next bit, how do we find the products? Well, here you go. You found yourself one. You know this product sells because it has 83 sold. So you've got one product already out of, how much? So if we go into this guy's account, we are given an account that is filled with drop shipped products. It's just our choice to take which one actually sells. So we check if it's sold at least 5 times in the last week and which one's going to give us $10 profit. This product here, okay, it's not even going to give us a lot. We sell it for $49 and we're only getting it for $40. We're making $3.50. We don't want $3.50. We want $10 because remember, we're going for profit. We're not going for sales. We want to make $100 a day. So have a look at this one. So this one costs you $44 and I know what it sells for. It sells for $32. You're making $7. It's not bad. It's not bad, but you can make a little bit more. If you want to make $7, again, it's just $3 short. List it. As you can see, we found 2 products. Go for the next one. Surface Pro Charger. Cost him $39. He's selling it for $39. It cost you $26 for that one. $24 is the lowest. $24. And how much is he selling for? I already forgot. $39. So he's selling it for $39, $24, $10.57. You got 3 products. In the matter of about a minute and a half, we found 3 products. And you're just going to keep repeating this process. Once you're done, go back on Amazon and search a different seller. Find his account and snipe some of his products. That is the simplicity of it. That's how simple it is. That's the maths of it. You just want to sell 10 a day. 10 a day, list 600, and you've got yourself, I can guarantee you list 600, you got yourself more than $100 a day. But that's how simple the math is behind it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was under 10 minutes. Currently looking, it's 8 minutes, and after I edit it and crop it down a bit, it'll probably be about a 6-minute video. And in 6 minutes, I've shown you how to make $36,000 a year. That's how simple it is. That's how easy it is. So I highly recommend you guys get on this now. If you guys want to learn more, leave a like, comment any videos you guys want me to do. I'll subscribe to my channel for more videos and check out my previous videos on eBay dropshipping.